Hello, and welcome to our 175 project called Wall Hoppers. So a bit of inspiration for our project was given by this British game show where there's a wall moving closer to a couple people, and these people have to shape themselves in a way to get them through the hole in that wall. And the way we translate this into Minecraft is the agent starts off in a room, and there's going to be a hole in one of the walls that the agent has to somehow get to. And there's going to be obstacles that the agent faces where there's going to be blocks blocking its direct path, and the hole may not always be on ground level. It could be 1 or 2 blocks above ground level. So our mission with this project is to see if an agent was trained on a curriculum, whether this curriculum will allow the agent to have an easier time learning a new given level at hand. And the way we tested out this theory is we created 3 curriculums, each curriculum teaching an agent a specific skill. And based on these curriculums, we had 3 models. Model 1 would be trained on all 3 of these curriculums. Model 2 would be trained on 2 of the 3, and Model 3 would be trained on the last curriculum. And these are the types of levels that we categorize into the 3 different curriculums. The first one is the turning level, which teaches the agent how to turn around and look for the hole. The next one is the haul level, where it teaches the agent how to move forward, backward, and left and right. And then our third level is the jumping level, where the agent learns how to jump on blocks to get through the hole. And lastly is the randomized level, which is basically just a randomized level where blocks are randomly placed. And here's our baseline where the model hasn't been trained yet. And as you can see, it's just moving around, trying to figure out what to do. But because it hasn't been trained at all, it's having a hard time trying to get to the hole. And this is what the model looks like after it's trained, where it finds the optimal path to get to the hole in the wall. And for our conclusion, after collecting a lot of data, we found out a curriculum actually helps the agent, where one of our curriculums constantly did better than an agent that had no previous training at all. One thing we had trouble doing though throughout this project is teaching the agent how to do specific skills, where, for example, in this video, where the agent was supposed to learn how to jump and stay on the blocks to get to the hole, it wouldn't be able to learn how to do that and would just get stuck, not knowing it would need to backtrack and go back around to get into that hole. But in general, we found that a curriculum actually helps teaching the agent specific skills, so they don't need to relearn these skills when trained on a new level.